Hello guys, welcome back to Abstronic Circuit tutorial. The topic, it is all about how to use every circuit simulation. At the same time, I will show you how to design PWM DC motor controller by using this application. Simply it means in my video tutorial, you have two benefits. One, how to use the software application. Two, how to design and simulate the PWM DC motor controller. You can download this application on Google Play Store. Since I just opened my application. As you can see, from the right top of the corner, we have the folder. So just click on it. So now, let's get started to make the DC-DC motor controller circuit. Go to the menu and scroll to the left. In my case, I'm using ne555 timer IC. So just click on the IC symbol, then you can see the IC on the screen. Just tap and hold on the IC, then move and connect directly the pin number 1 of the IC to the ground. To remove the highlight of the IC, just click on the screen. By tap and holding the screen, then you can move the screen in any direction. Then, before connecting any component to the IC, let's connect first those pins that needed to be connected. To connect the pin of the IC or any component to connect to the IC pin, just click from the pin of the IC, then connect it to the component or to the other pin of the IC. Now I will show you how to connect it. So just click or tap at pin 8, then again tap at pin 4. Then the draw line will be connected and exist. Then connect again pin 2 and pin 6. To zoom out and zoom in, just put your two fingers on the screen, then move outward to zoom out and move inward to zoom in. Now it's time to go back to the menu. Just tap and hold on the menu. Then just scroll to the right or to the left to find those components we need in the circuit. So let's tap the variable resistor, then move the variable resistor near to pin 6 or pin 2. Tap and hold, then move it. Then go back to the menu and tap on the resistor and connect directly to one side of the variable resistor. Then go back to the menu and tap the capacitor. Tap again on the capacitor, then move and connect directly to the other side of the variable capacitor. To remove again the highlight, just click on the screen. Then go back to the menu, tap on the power supply, then move near to the VCC pin, then rotate by clicking the rotation icon, then let interchange the polarity by clicking the U-turn icon. Let's move the power supply upward a little bit. Then let's connect the positive of the power supply to pin 8 or 4. Just tap on the positive side of the battery or the power supply. Then just tap on pin 8 or VCC pin. Then let's connect the resistor to VCC. Let's connect the middle pin of the variable resistor to both pin 2 and pin 6. Then just connect one side of the capacitor to pin 1 or to the ground. Then let's go back to the menu and click the ground symbol. Then tap and hold and move in line to the negative side of the battery. Then connect to the negative battery. Then go back again to the menu and tap the resistor. Tap again resistor symbol. Then move and connect to pin 3. Just click the rotation icon to rotate the resistor. Then let's connect the resistor to pin 3. Tap again the other resistor and move and connect to pin 3. And let's rotate again the resistor by clicking the rotation icon. Then let's connect one side of the resistor to pin 3. Now let's go back to the menu just click the LED symbol, then move and connect to the resistor. And let's connect the resistor to the LED. Then go back to the menu, tap on the ground. Then move and connect to the negative side or to the cathode of the LED. Then go back to the menu, tap on the NPN transistor. Then move and connect to the resistor. Then again, go back to the menu, then tap the DC motor. Then move again in between the battery or power supply and the collector of the transistor. Then let's rotate the DC motor by clicking the rotation icon. Then let's connect the DC motor to power supply and connect the negative side to the collector. Then just connect the emitter side to the ground. And let's connect pin 7 of the IC in between the resistor and the variable resistor. Then the circuit is almost done. Now it's time to change those value in any component according to what we need in our design. By the way, guys, sorry, this circuit is wrong. Actually, this circuit is a stable mode multi-vibrator. Anyway, I will add another component to this circuit and let's change some connection. And also, this is another tutorial how to change or add any component to the circuit. So let's start. Just tap on the variable resistor, then move Then let's cut some draw line connected to the variable resistor. Let's cut the middle draw line. Just click on the scissor icon. Tap on the draw line. Then click the scissor icon. Tap again on the variable resistor. Then let's try to rotate by clicking the rotation icon. Then let's click the U-turn so that the middle pin direction goes down. Then let's move some other components to give space to the new component will be added to the circuit. Then go to the menu, click or tap on the rectifier diode. Then connect to one side of the variable resistor. And click again another diode and move besides of the another diode. One of the diode must be in the opposite direction to discharge the capacitor. Just tap on the top of the diode, then click the U-turn icon to interchange the cathode and the anode. Then let's connect the two ends of the diode. So let's cut another draw line from one side of the variable resistor. Just tap on the draw line, click the scissor icon. Now, let's move and inline the variable resistor to both ends of the diode. Then let's connect the end of the two diode to the variable resistor. Then let's connect pin 6 and pin 2 with the capacitor. Now let's connect the middle pin of the variable resistor to pin 6 or pin 2 or to the capacitor. Then let's connect the two other side of the diode to pin 7 or the discharging pin. Then the circuit will be done. So let's change some component according to our design. Just tap on the variable resistor. Then you can see below the tools icon. So just click on the tools icon. Now you can see the wiper position only 50%. Then just click on the lever. Then you can see the present value of the resistor is only 1 kilo ohms. Just click on 1 kilo ohms resistor. Then just tap and rotate to adjust the resistance of the variable resistor to 50 kilo ohms. Now we have 50 kilo ohms resistor. Then you can tap another component to change the value. So let's tap one of the resistor connected to the output. Now you can adjust the resistor to 330 ohms resistance. Just tap and rotate the triangle icon on the display to reach 330 kilo ohms. As you can see, the resistance display 320 ohms. So by clicking the positive sign on the adjustment, you can increase and make exactly 330 ohms resistor. So just tap on the capacitor. Then tap on the triangle logo. Then rotate the triangle icon to increase to desired value of the capacitor. Now we have nanofarad, but we need 100 microfarad. So now we have 100 microfarad. Then just click on the screen. Tap on the power supply. Then click again the tools icon. Then adjust the power supply to 12 volt DC. Then the circuit is done. Just click on the screen. At this time, I will show you how to simulate this circuit on this application. Just click on the play icon. So now you can see the LED is glowing and the current is flowing through the DC motor, through the collector of the transistor, and flowing back to the ground. But you can see the DC motor is still not rotating. Maybe the current from the power supply is not enough to supply the DC motor. So let's zoom in again. Then click the pause icon and click the fast forward icon. Now, let's click the DC motor. So you can see the menu below. Just click on the tool icon. So you can see in the label, the rated current of the DC motor is 2 ampere. Now, let's decrease the current of the DC motor. So just click on the starting current, then you can adjust or decrease the rated current of the DC motor. So let's say the starting current is only 1 ampere. Then just click on the screen to remove the highlight on the DC motor. Then let's zoom out and let's see if the DC motor right now is working. Then just click the play icon. So now you can see the current is flowing through the DC motor and the revolution per minute right now is working on. As you can see, the revolution per minute keep increasing. So therefore, the circuit is working. So let's zoom in again. To adjust the signal frequency of the output, you can vary the variable resistor by tap on it. Then just click again the tool icon. As you can see, the wiper is 62.4%. Now you can rotate the wiper counterclockwise or clockwise to increase and decrease the resistance of the variable resistor. Just tap on the play icon, then rotate it. So now you can see the percentage of the wiper only 4.96%. So let's go to the 50%. Now the variable resistor is in the middle, which is 25 kilo ohms, because the total resistance is 50 kilo ohms. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In my next video, which is the part 2 of this circuit, I will show you how to simulate the signal frequency. So guys, thank you for watching my video tutorial. So don't forget to like and share.